Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to read you a list of ingredients. Job with no passion, pressure of finance, lack of sparkle in your relationships, friends who you no longer connect with, energy vampires sucking your lifeblood, too busy working to change things, too busy working to make more money, too busy working to make more time. Stress affects health and vitality. Running out of time feeling. Thinking you're trapped. Irritating working colleagues. Ungrateful people. Tired of meeting expectations of others. Now I want you to think about mixing all these ingredients every day for 40 years. Just think about it. What do you get? What kind of life do you have? If any of this or all of them are present in your life currently, you need to change something. But how and what? So the first key is, as always, awareness. Awareness means that you need to look at your life from the outside. Step out from 1 second and really analyze what's going on. Don't be one of those people that go through life, I like to use this analogy, like horses with blinkers, like this. Going through life without thinking, without analyzing what's going on and why you're doing certain things and taking certain decisions, and where are your limiting beliefs coming from, and just be guided by the subconscious. And I see a lot of people like this every day. They just let the subconscious guide them. The subconscious is the part of our brain that is responsible for your habits. And is basically running your life, most of your life, every day. So if you want to change your habit, you have to tap into your subconscious. So you need to be aware of what's going on, why you're doing certain things. Analyze yourself. Look at your relationship with yourself, with your parents, with your siblings. Look at your early childhood. Where are your limiting beliefs coming from? What do you want to change? What kind of life you want to have? This is my advice. And as always, I'm here. If you guys have any questions, I'm really very happy to help. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know, how is your life? Are you happy? What do you want to change? I mean, are you starting to analyze, or you just go through life guided by your subconscious, like a horse with blinkers? Let me know. I'm here for you, and looking forward to hear from you. Bye.